Hi guys, and we're going to do a review on the Strike Force helicopter. I only got it like 2 years ago, but I never opened it, but now I'm playing with it like a pro, and I'm just going to show you it basically, and got a little setup background up there. The orange cardboard's just so you can see it better. Without it you can't really see it, but I'm just going to show you some basic flight moves with its controller. And basically that's the that's the joystick to go left, right, up, down. That's go up and down, like the accelerator. I'm not going to touch it because the actual helicopter's on. I just have to replace it again. This is the helicopter itself. Pretty neat. Got its own little light. It's even got a little back rotor. That's so it can go forwards, backwards. Pretty neat. And it's got twin blades, so it's easier to fly than the ordinary one blade. And it's got obviously a balancer. Everyone's got it. So I'm just going to do a couple flight moves. It won't be very high because the camera can't see it very much. Get the blue paper out of the way. Okay, let's start with a simple start up the motor. I just crashed it, damn it. Just gonna let my dog out. Okay, and let's do it again. Set it down gently so sure it doesn't crash. And that's about it for it. Leave a like and subscribe. It's up to you if you want to, but please do, and I'll release more of these videos. The next video, I'm probably going to do the outside test, except it's going to be either at night or in the shed, because the remote's infrared and it doesn't pick up in the sunlight, so I have to do it when it's dark. And because it's, I don't know, it doesn't pick up because of its sun rays or something. Whoops. Oh yeah, so you can turn the light off and on and change the different light modes too. Yeah. Leave a like and subscribe. See you later.